So what's your name?
Mason, my name is Mason Osmond.
And what are you doing?
I'm here today taking apart a McLaren 765 LT motor over there. I'm with my buddy Lucas. We're taking it apart with Ivan. I'm from St. Charles North High School. I am a junior. I learned that hurricane car engines do not like hurricanes.